Republic Act of the Philippines. Negros Oriental State University, RA 9299, June 25, 2004. College of Justice Education, Department of Criminology, Gillian City, Negros Oriental, 6214, Philippines. Vision, goals, incorporate values of the Negros Oriental State University. Vision, a dynamic, competitive, universally offensive state university. Mission, the university shall provide excellent instruction, relevant and extensive research services, quality assured production through competent and highly motivated human capital. Goals, Negros Oriental State University strives to advance and stands for national development through effective partnership. O stands unity, exists support but solving. R teaching function. S stands for scholarship and innovation. U stands for unity and diversity of culture. Corporate values. Core values is what we believe in giving character to our university. Decision R. Sapphire. S stands for spirituality. A stands for accountability. P stands for professionalism. P stands for patriotism. H stands for harmony. I stands for integrity. I respect stands for excellence. Quality policy. Nurse Oriental State University committed itself to provide quality instruction, research, extension, service, and production as well as to comply with regulatory requirements and, and continually reinforcements and management system. Kabilin. K stands for kinship of mind and heart. Development stands for adaptability and accountability in the profession. B stands for benchmarking with global standard and practice. I stands for industry and hard work for productivity and leadership and social transformation. And I stands for interdependence, various stakeholders. Stands for nurturing desire and harmony in nurturing vision. Criminology, education, mission, and objectives. Vision. The College of Criminology is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation in addition to vital problems of the control, meeting the global competitiveness. Mission. The College of Criminal Justice Education program commits itself in providing community, professionally competent, and morally upright, delivered and effective service in the field of criminology. Adjective. And for assurance to the above state, the Department of the Criminology integrates the sequence of course, the study of which are the, the course of study, utilize the deductive instruction, discussion, demonstration, laboratory practice, simulation, and learning on the job training. Number one, it seeks to provide opportunity, instruction, and guiding experience where the students learn the basic knowledge and acquire the skills essential of the process of criminology. It provides the students of broad cultural background and understanding, consolation, guarantees, and enduring process of law insofar affect the total of demonstration of justice. Number three, it fosters of three, three citizens accountability, leadership, and understanding of one more and legal responsibilities in Philippine system 3. It inspires, instills in the students of the humanity. It encourages the research in the fields of criminology and criminal justice. Criminology. Criminology as a special course. A criminologist is any person who degrade of criminal examination. Criminologist is registered board of examiner. Is the professionalism, regulation, and commission versions to RA 6506 Section 23 define the term of criminologist as one who was being engaged in the practice of criminology. If he holds himself out of the public, if any of capacity, professional person or teacher